In this video, we are going to make a simple guitar that you can make out of things found around your home. Here is everything you will need. First, you will need a box. Any closed box will do. Then, some rubber bands. Try finding ones in different sizes and thicknesses. Next, you'll need something roughly the size and shape of 2 pens, then something round that you can trace around. Finally, you'll need a cutting tool, so let's get started. Take your round object and place it on the box in the center near the bottom. If you already have a pen out, you can use it to trace a circle where you will make your cut. Now have your parent or guardian use the cutting tool to cut a hole out of the box. Now your empty box is the body of your guitar. Let's put on some strings. Take a rubber band and carefully stretch it around the box so that it goes over the hole. Give it a few plucks to see how it sounds so far. Now you can add more rubber band strings, as many as you'd like. Next, take your pens and insert the first one underneath the strings at the top of the box. Then, take the second pen and do the same at the bottom. Pluck the strings. Notice how the sound has changed. Probably a lot nicer now. Try changing the notes by pressing your finger on the rubber bands in different places and listen to how it sounds. Can you play a whole song on your guitar yet? Now you have your very own guitar.